Hey Hub Heroes, this is Jorge Fuentes from the Sidekick Strategies team, and today we're going to take a look at this new product update that HubSpot just released, which is still in public beta, and it's called the Video Capture Product Update, which essentially allows us to record videos directly in HubSpot. Check it out. So we're going to log into HubSpot, and then we're going to go all the way to the right. And do know that since this is a product update currently in beta, we're going to have to go all the way down to product updates here on the right. And then we're just going to search for video. By the way, I already enrolled my portal in that beta, but do know that it's called Video Capture, record videos directly in HubSpot. So we just click on it. And then right now I've already joined it, but instead of the give feedback and the leave beta options, you will see a button called Join Beta. And so click on that button, and then it will auto enroll your portal. Do know that this is only available for Content Hub Pro and or Content Hub Enterprise. So now that we've enabled that in our portal, I'm going to go on the left hand side here, and then I'm going to scroll all the way down to content right there, and then I'm going to go to videos. And then here in videos is where I'm going to go all the way to the right, to the top right, where we have add videos. And then in that drop down, we're going to see record video. And then I'm going to click on record video. And then here's where I'm going to start recording my my HubSpot video here. And then I'll quickly do that. So I've actually started the video. I actually duplicated the tab here just so that we could go around HubSpot. And so I'm going to go to my CRM here. I'm going to go to deals, and then I can go to dashboards and so on and so forth. And then I'm going to click on finish recording now. So I've gone in and recorded my video, and as you can see, it's right here, right? So I'm going to click on play. So I've actually started the video. I actually duplicated the tab here, and there it is, right? So now I'm actually since that video is good to go, I'm going to go to save files, save to files right here on the left. And then that's pretty much it. Now this video is going to be processed, and in just a little bit, it'll be available for me to watch it and or share it as well. And as you can see, I did an example before this one right here with this other screen capture. And then as you can see in the toggle here, we can actually view the details. And then once we view details, we can actually share either publicly or privately the link to that specific video, right? And we can even do publish to social if we go to all the way to the top, and so on and so forth. We can add it to a campaign. We can also do a file expiration date if we want to, and so on and so forth. And do know that there's other tabs here that we can explore, such as the optimization tab, where we can actually add keywords or an SEO description to the video we just captured. We can add performance. We can not add performance, but see the performance of the specific video. We can add some captions there, upload them if needed. AI can translate for us as well. And then we also have this clips section, which means that only videos over 3 minutes with any audio are eligible for clip suggestions. So in this case, we can actually clip manually since ours didn't go over that limit. And then if we click on clip manually, we can start kind of like as in a normal video editor here in HubSpot. We can decide what clips to capture from the overall video. And that's pretty much it. Do know that this update is only available for Content Hub Pro or Content Hub Enterprise. Remember, education is great, but the execution is where it's at. So go out there and be the hub hero that your organization needs today.